Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add economic partners on your store on Etsy. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you're not already. So after opening it up, this is going to go and be the main page you're greeted by. From where in the upper right corner, the first thing we can do is go and log into our account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go and sign up for one. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, now we can get started. So from here, we can open up the shop manager in the upper right corner. That's going to enable you to go and create a shop if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can access your settings from here. And now we can follow this article on the official Etsy Help Center on how to add an economic operator. So basically guys, to add an economic operator, you're going to open up the shop manager just like I showed you and then select settings from there. Once you have opened up the settings, you can select partners you work with, and once you go ahead and open up that, you're going to see a button that says add economic operator. This is what you want to use. After you click on this, it's going to enable you to enter in the name, address and contact information of the economic operator you want to work with, and then click save. Once you save it guys, you are going to go and be able to add them to your store, and you can go and edit your economic operator information at any time in the partners you work with section. It's all going to be available in the shop manager option right here, and that's how to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.